Pearly shell
Kina, kaoras na.
from the ocean.
Sayo pa.
Shining
Masaya pa,
in
kuya,
the sun.
padaplin.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, I would like to greet all mothers all over the world. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much for all your dedication, your love, your sacrifices, and all hard work. To all mama, to all nanay, to all inang, inatay, and all mamang wonderful mothers all over the world, including myself. Thank you so much to all my awesome subscribers. Guess what? We are now 2,000! Yay! 2K na tayo, guys. Thank you for your support all this time, and thank you very much. And also, I would like to say special mention to all the brave frontliners, the first responder, healthcare providers. You are so brave. Thank you so much for all your efforts and dedication during this pandemic time. And because today is a special day, ta-da! We have lechon, and also I made a cassava leche flan, ta-da! And poppy seed cake, and then the banana bread, and of course we have the suka with sili, sausawan. And so, since today is a Mother's Day special, to all mothers, samahan nyo kami guys sa salo-salo na, sa munting salo-salo with the lechon. And also, oh mga anak, halina, kauna. Oh, halina mga anak, halina, kauna. Guys, samahan nyo kami sa
Happy Mother's Day!
Oh my God, this is
Sakaw lang.
Dalawa sa akin, dalawang love ko sa'yo.
Dalawa, ma sa akin, ma isang base, ma. Ma sa akin, ma isang base.
oh my God,
Ayan na, isang base,
power
power
base.
base.
Oh, walang kiss?
Happy
Walang,
Mother's Day.
I thank you,
Wala,
Lord.
ma, social distancing.
Social distancing?
Walang kiss, social distancing.
Okay. By the way, guys, Hawaiian attire kami ngayon.
Go!
Shells. Oh, dali na. Uy, look at
Susawa na to.
Sarap! Happy Mother's Day, ma!
Happy-
Wishing you all the best, wishing you good health, wishing you all the future,
Amen.
all the
Amen.
blessings,
Amen.
ooh, and kami tululoy!
Ano, dali na picture sa picture.
1, 2, 3, go.
Atras pa kamay pa.
1, 2, 3, go.
Gizumin na gawin mo, anong layo makay na?
Oh, alin na kayo guys. Take note sa balat. Sige, rice. Ako yung take. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I know this is a special day. Hope you enjoy spending time with your mama, with your mommy, nanay, and inang, and whatever you call to your mom. So enjoy. You spend time with her, whatever is a special day for your mama. Pearly shell
Kina, kaoras na.
from the ocean.
Sayo pa.
Shining
Masaya
in
pa,
the
kuya,
sun.
padaplin.
Guys, look at. Oh, Diyos ko. Alam nyo ba, kami lang ang kumain 5. Kami lang 5. So, comment below kung ano yung mga regalo ninyo para sa mama ninyo, sa mga mommies dyan. At saka kung ano ba yung mga special surprises for your mom. Doon, kumusta doon? Say something naman. Uy,
Okay lang,
kasaba
Happy
na.
Mother's Day!
Oh,
Sarap
thank
ng
you.
kasaba.
Kasaba, oh yeah. So, anong parte ng lechon ang paborito ninyo? Dito sa, tingnan nyo, ang una namin kinuha ni Papa Q yung dito sa sa ribs. Sa rib. Take note, naka-grass skirt. Tiny bubbles. Tiny Yeah, kasaba leche flan ang dessert natin, guys. So again, thank you so much sa mga sa suporta ninyo sa akin. 2,000 subscribers na tayo, guys. So thank you for staying with me all this time. Usually pag lechon, ang unang kakainin ang balat, 'di ba? Kasi very crispy. At saka sa amin ni Papa Q, ang favorite namin itong sa may bandang tiyan, sa ribs. Comment below kung ano yung favorite part ninyo sa lechon pag kayo ang kakain ng lechon. Okay guys, bye for now. Thank you for watching. Salamat na sinamahan nyo kami sa salo-salo natin celebration for Mother's Day special. And to all our awesome subscribers, naging 2,000 subscribers na tayo. And thank you so much. And also, to all our brave frontliners, first responders, healthcare providers, thank you so much for all your dedications and effort. Thank you very much. So that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quata's channel. Bye for now. God bless you all. I love you guys. Bye.